Starting with the great name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Myself is Hisham Hamid and welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Tech Zone for another exciting lecture. In today's lecture, I shall be discussing about different modes of data transmission. So we have data transmission modes, and the direction of the data flow between two linked devices is called data transmission. So first of all, what actually is a data transmission? Data transmission is basically the flow of data or the direction of data flow between two devices, between two computers that are linked together. Is called data transmission. So we have three important data transmission modes that we have is simplex mode, half duplex mode and full duplex mode. So you can see here these are three different transmission modes: simplex, half duplex and full duplex. Now what is a simplex transmission mode? Simplex is basically simplex mode is the data transmission in which data flow is only in one direction. When two devices are connected together or any devices are connected together, the direction of the data flow will be a single. It is a unidirectional. So the simplex is a data transmission mode in which data can flow only in one direction. That is, data communication is unidirectional. In this mode, sender can only send data but cannot receive it. Similarly, a receiver can only receive data but cannot send it. Right? So suppose that there are two devices. So one device can send data. Its purpose is only to send data. Then the receiver will not, the receiver purpose is to just receive the data. So the sender cannot receive the data, whereas the receiver cannot send the data. So the data transmission mode is data flow direction is always unidirectional. So we have different examples here. The examples is loudspeakers. So loudspeaker is one of the great examples of the simplex mode of transmission. That we have a television broadcasting. Television broadcasting is an example of simplex data transmission. Television and remote. So data communication between the television and the remote is also a simplex mode, whereas a monitor and a keyboard. So the data transmission between the keyboard and monitor is also simplex mode. So you can see here. And also the data communication between CPU and monitor is also unidirectional, which is also a simplex mode. So we have different examples of simplex mode of data transmission that we have is loudspeakers, television broadcasting, television and remote, keyboard and monitor, and CPU and monitor. So these are the different examples of simplex mode of transmission. Next one we have is half duplex mode. In half duplex mode, data can flow in both directions. Right? Duplex means two. Right? So duplex means two, and half means half. So it is basically data transmission in half duplex mode. Data can flow in both directions from sending to receiving device, but cannot send or receive data at the same time. So half duplex mode, data can flow in both directions but not at the same time. So when one device is sending, the other can only receive, and so that's why it is called half duplex transmission mode. So you can see here the examples. There are two devices, A and B. So the A only sends data, but B cannot receive data at the same time, right? So when it sends the data, then it will receive the data, right? So they cannot send or receive the data at the same time. So we have the examples that we have is a walkie-talkie, that is with the law enforcement agencies especially have, and traffic police have. They have walkie-talkie. So walkie-talkie is a great example of half duplex data transmission, and internet is also an example of half duplex transmission. So we have two. The concept is very much simple and clear, that half duplex means the data flow must be between the devices must be a bidirectional, but they cannot send and receive data at the same time, right? So full duplex, full means complete, duplex means two, bidirectional. So in full duplex mode, data can flow in both direction from sending to receiving device at the same time. So that is the difference between half duplex and full duplex. In half duplex, data is, flow of direction is bidirectional, but you cannot send and receive at the same time, whereas a full duplex mode, data can be sent or received at the same time. So you can see here they can both send and receive data at the same time. So we have example is a telephone network in which we communicate, we talk to the other people. So this is example of the full duplex mode. We can talk especially on the telephone, WhatsApp or Messenger. You can see there, you can at the same time you are sending the data, and other person is also sending and receiving data. So you can both listen to each other, you can both speak at the same time, you can both listen and speak at the same time. So that's exactly what sending and receiving the data at the same time. So we have three different. So the overview of this video is that we have discussed the three modes of data transmission and data transmission modes. So data transmission is basically the flow of data between linked devices, and there are three important three important modes of data transmission that we have: simplex mode, half duplex, and full duplex. Simplex is between the two devices, and the flow of direction is always is one direction of data, and it is data flow is unidirectional. You can understand it. You can the sender will only send it, and receiver will only receive it. So they cannot send or receive data at the same time. Single devices cannot send or receive data. So the flow of direction is always unidirectional. And we have examples here like loudspeaker, like computer to CPU to monitor, remote and TV, printer and computer. So these are different examples of simplex data transmission. And the next one we have discussed is half duplex mode. Half duplex mode is basically the flow of direction is always bidirectional, but you cannot send and receive data at the same time. So these are the this is the half duplex, and examples that we have is a walkie-talkie. You can see the different people, police officials have this device is called walkie-talkie, and they often say over at the end of that conversation. And when they say, or one person says over, then other person will respond it. So one person will have to wait wait for the over signal. So the internet is an example of also the half simplex transmission. You can search it, then the browsers and the different apps show the data. So internet is also an example of half duplex mode. And the full duplex mode, you can send or receive data at the same time, and the telephone conversation, the conversation that you do on WhatsApp, IMO, Skype, Messenger, Facebook, video calls, you can do any of these communication through the different devices. So this communication is a full duplex. You can either send or receive data at the same time. So we have the great examples like said before, the conversation through WhatsApp, conversation through Messenger, IMO, or Skype. So these are different the examples of the full duplex transmission. So that's all for today. If you like this video, share it. If you have any questions, you can ask in a comment section. I will definitely respond there. And you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you can get more videos. Thank you and have a great day.